Alright guys, this video here is about how to fix a bumper. These bumpers usually cost about $500 to $600, not including the pieces that go on it, and then paint will run you about another $500. So you're looking at $1,000 for a new bumper. I was able to fix this bumper here, guys, for $20. Only thing left to do is just actually repaint it. But overall, as you can see, this is pretty much fixed, guys. Alright, let's zoom in so you can see. Alright, so yeah, it's pretty much fixed, guys, and I'm going to show you the before and then obviously the after now. So y'all stay tuned. I'm going to get right into it, guys. Alright guys, you got a cracked bumper. All you need is one of these things you can get at Harbor Freight. It's a plastic welder. That's all you need. Let me position the camera for you guys so you can. Alright guys, so as you can see, I welded it right here. And the only thing left will be right here, guys. How you plastic weld a bumper. But I also try to put some JB WELD inside. So once you weld it, you also have something in the crack that can support it as well. And this is from the inside, guys. So yeah, we're on the inside of the bumper. So you want to do this from the inside, and then from the outside, you'll go ahead and put some more support. But this will be the initial support, guys. And we still got one last spot here, and I'll show you how that's done in a second. So as you can see, I'm going back and forth over the crack, penetrating it, creating a little bit more deeper gash, and then I'm quickly filling it while this plastic is heated up, guys. Because once plastic is heated up, it just forms right back together. So don't go out wasting money on new bumpers, and you can just plaster weld it back together, guys. Alright, see, it's pretty much one piece again. Alright guys, so once I'm pretty much done with bonding it together, I just go over every little rough surface smoothly, just to give it that smooth finish, guys. Real slow. And just smoothing everything out to give it a better looking finish. See here? It's gonna crack, so we gotta fix that, guys. You're going to press down with a finger and then weld at the same time. When I'll be back, you're going to see a smooth surface. Alright, so here's the crack from the outside. The back is totally supported. Reason you do the back first, because you have some kind of support here. If you come straight to the front, you know, it can get real messy and you're going to end up doing more damage to the surface of the bumper if you do the front first. So do the back first. That way you just have minimal weld damage, and then you can have your body man come in with some filler. Alright, but that's one of the correct ways of fixing a cracked bumper. Alright. here, make sure the welds are seen, make sure it's still not a crack there, and it gets any excess plastic off. So once you're done welding, you want to go by with your fingernail and just get any excess material off and make sure that the weld is actually there. Alright, once you're done, this is how it's going to look, guys. I mean, it's not perfect by any means. You're going to have to go over it with some sandpaper. And then you're going to have to tape it right here and then put some filler on it. So that's going to be my next video. I'm going to tape it right there, put some filler on it, and paint it. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. To the next video. Peace. Alright, guys. This is the bumper back on the car. Sand it down, put some filler over it. You can get it. And it's like stop, man. Alright guys, so here's the final product. As we're priming it, you can't see any sign that this bumper has been cracked, guys. So that's how you professionally fix a cracked bumper, guys. Alright, to the next video. Peace. Alright guys, that's how you actually fix a bumper. Here's the JB WELD that I use. That's the white stuff you're seeing coming out when I'm hitting it with the gun or with the welder. That's because I needed something in there to actually keep it holding, especially over time. It'll actually keep it more firm. It won't actually re-crack because it's JB WELD. It's the strongest bond, guys. So yeah, that's the secret sauce to actually put the JB WELD in the crack, let it sit, and then weld, and then actually the weld will actually cover the JB WELD. So that's a little extra secret sauce, guys. Appreciate y'all checking out the video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, guys. We can't make better content, we can't make videos to help you guys out without your help. So all right, I appreciate y'all support. To the next video. Peace.